This is the homework for transformation for a linear function. Okay, it's page 305. Number 4. Number 4, he gave you two equations, y equal x and y equal x plus 1. If we compare between the slope, we have same slope. Here the slope is 1 and the slope here is 1. But here the y-intercept is 0, but the y-intercept here is 1. So we have translate 1 unit up. And it's clear from the graph. How? This is the blue line in the original, and what happened to be the orange one? Each point go 1 unit up, 1 unit up. So the line translate or shifted 1 unit up. So how can we say it's a translation without graphing? Look at the y-intercept. Same slope but different y-intercept. So because of this, the two lines will be parallel. So x and here x, slope is 1 and here 1. But here the y-intercept is 0 but become 1. So it's a translate vertically or shifted up or down. Depend on the sign. The sign here is plus, so it will be go up. Up how many units? 1 unit up. Okay, this is number 6. 6, the equation, the original one, y equal x. So it's a parent of a linear function. Remember, y equal x, this is the parent of the function. And then what will happen? The new one, or the second equation, y equal x minus 6. So it's the same slope. But what about the y-intercept? From 0, it becomes negative 6. So the line translates 6 units down. Sorry, this is 6.5. This is not 6, this is 6.5 here. Translate 6.5 units down. Okay, here number 8. Okay, the graph here, y equal 1/5 x plus 3. How can we graph this line? We use the y-intercept 0 and 3, and what is the slope? 1/5. So I will go 1 unit up and 5 units to the right to get the second point. Connect between the first and second point to graph the line. What is the second? X plus 3. So the y-intercept is 3. So the point, it will be 0 and 3. And what is the slope? 1. So I will go 1 unit up and 1 unit to the right to get the second point. Connect between them to graph the orange line. So look at here, this is blue become orange. What will happen? It's rotate. In which point? About this point. What this point? 0 and B. What is the B here? Is 3. So same y-intercept and different slope, so it's rotate about the point 0 B. It will be 0 and 3, and the line become, the slope become more, so it becomes steeper, the line steeper. So when you speak about the rotation, you must give me two things: the point of the rotation and the line become steeper or less steep. Okay, look at number 10. What is the equation? Y equal x plus 1, and here y equal 1/2 x plus 1. Same y-intercept, so and different slope, so it's rotation. The line rotates about 0 and 1, and the line become less steep. Why less steep? Because the slope become less. Look at this line, it's x plus 1. So what is the y-intercept? It's 1, and the slope 1/1. So I get the second point. I connect between them to graph the blue line. What about the orange one? The y-intercept is 1. This is 1. And what is the slope? 1 unit up and 2 units to the right to get the second point. Connect between them to graph the orange line. What will happen? Such as we said before, it's rotate about 0 and B, 0 and B, 0 and 1. And the line become less steep. Why? Because the slope become less.